Hi everyone, welcome to this video on how to fix the hazy camera problem on the HTC ONE M8. I got this HTC ONE M8 in April 2014, and it appears that quite a few people are having a similar problem with hazy cameras. The rear lens glass appears to have some sort of adhesive coating on it which hasn't been removed during manufacturing, and after about a month's worth of use of the phone, it appears that the camera is actually scratched, the surface is scratched, and it appears scratched, and as a result the camera quality degrades very significantly. And some of the problems I was experiencing was having problems focusing, and also I was having hazy pictures. Also during low light conditions I was getting a lot of lens flare and colour bleed, etc. So it seems that quite a few people have tried things to fix this problem. The key issue really is you need to try and remove the adhesive layer that's been left on the camera as a result of manufacturing. So I tried a few things. I tried nail varnish remover, I tried vinegar as well, also tried glass cleaner, but none of those really worked. What I found worked very effectively was something called Brasso, which is available in the UK. It's a metal polish. I'm sure there will be similar types of products available around the globe, but this worked very effectively, and it cleaned up the lens very quickly and straight away. So I'm just going to go through the process of what I done in order to clean up the lens, and just to let you know, the camera is actually back to as it was brand new. It's taking pictures very sharp again. I'm very pleased with the results. So the materials really you need to clean up the lens are Brasso. You'll have to do a bit of research to see if there's an equivalent product if you can't find Brasso. Also you need a couple of cotton buds to apply the Brasso, a cotton pad to wipe off the excess once you're done, and then finally, this stage is optional really, is a wet tissue which I use to clean LCDs and to keep my phone clean generally. This is quite a good product. It's a very standard product. You can probably pick up a similar one locally. So really the way to do this is just take some Brasso and apply a very small amount onto a cotton bud and just dab it over the lens. Just work it in slightly, and then once that's done, just take the cotton wool pad, wipe off the excess, make sure it's all gone, and that's it. As I said, the other optional step, just to make sure that all residue is removed, is to use the glasses wipe. I'm also going to clean the front lens as well, because this seems to have a similar problem as well. So just apply a bit of Brasso, work it over the lens. Don't apply too much pressure really, just let the solvent do the work, and then wipe off with cotton pad, and really that's done. You might have to repeat the process a couple of times just to make sure all of the adhesive that's on the lens has been removed. But like I said, I used this method and it cleaned up the lens very effectively, very well, and the camera was back to normal. Anyway, if you have any issues, comments below. Would appreciate how you got on with cleaning up your lens, or if you found an alternate product other than Brasso. I'll put a few words as well in the description in terms of you know, the materials, etc. So good luck, and hope everyone can get their camera back to tip-top condition.